Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share a 100K launch pad. This is a 100% recession-proof ChatGPT powered business model. Limited time only, for anyone who wants to clone the exact same AI-powered digital business that makes us over $102,854 plus per month. Without doing anything technical. Push-button AI system lets you clone our done-for-you digital product system. That makes us $100,000 per month. Use our automated AI system that allows us to build multiple passive income streams without sending emails, creating funnels, using social media, TikTok, YouTube, Amazon or crypto. I've used this system to make $10 million in 7 years. What is the i100K Launchpad? It's called the i100K Launchpad because it's generated over $100,000 in commissions for me every month for 7 years. It's a new system that clones the same business model that I've followed since I started internet marketing, creating, selling, and launching my own digital products. Until recently, creating products was a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. However, the introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, and ChatGPT has revolutionized the game, making the process easier, faster, and more profitable with the help of smart AI automations. With this system, you'll get all the tools, resources and AI automations required to create your first highly profitable digital product within minutes. The best part is that you don't need any previous experience, technical skills, or budget to start. I got tired of paying other people for poor quality products and I got fed up working hard. It usually took weeks to make a single digital product when I started. That's why I created the i100K Launchpad. It does everything for you. Lightning fast. You can create digital products in minutes. The kind of products that earn us substantial passive income by having other affiliate marketers do the selling for us. It's the shortest path to online success and generating long-term residual income. But more on that later. Get access to the system that's made me over $10 million in passive income online. I've established a system that does all the work for you, and artificial intelligence has made it even easier for you in 2023. Once you get your license and access to the i100K Launchpad, all you do is insert a few details. The system and software does the rest for you with the help of ChatGPT. Within minutes you'll have your first digital product ready to sell. You'll create the same quality digital products that have enabled me to generate over $10 million in online sales across various different platforms. Creating digital products allows you to have highly profitable digital assets online forever. They act like digital real estate that earns us passive income for years. Our digital products routinely make us $100,000 plus per month on autopilot. And it's not just us having wild success with digital products. I've now taught and given this system to thousands of people across the globe. This system has freed dozens from the rat race of their 9-to-5 jobs. You only need one thing to have this kind of lifestyle and security. A license to use the i100K Launchpad that I use. You see, until now, there was only one path to making money online by creating digital products. The old way. Why new way of doing things generates $100,000 plus in commissions per month for me? Because it's automated, fast and 100% done for you. And you can have the same success with this system. The easiest, done-for-you way to create profitable digital assets with AI. You don't need to hire copywriters or designers. You don't need to do any advertising. You don't need to worry about email marketing. You don't do any selling yourself. You don't have to search for content or images. This is copy and paste easy. Use the same proven system that's generated over $10 million in online sales creating and selling profitable digital products with the power of artificial intelligence. Without experience, technical skills, or any hard work. If you want no more this product, Plaza check my description link. Thank you for watching my video, like and subscribe to the Get Update.